If you want to render your media in a different format at the same time, you can make it very easy. In Adobe Premiere, select a clip on the timeline. Then click Markers and choose Mark Selection. Then in the File panel, choose Export. Then Media. Now click Q. The Premiere will open a media encoder, and here you can select the format of your media, preset, and output. Now to order to render that media in a different format, and also at the same time, you need to select the bottom part of your Q media line. Click on the duplicate icon. You can change the format, preset, and output of that media you want. Also, you can right-click on it and choose Duplicate. Also, you can duplicate as many times as you need. And now when you click the Start Q button, the media encoder will render all these media at the same time. That's all. Thanks for watching Premiere Pro Quick Tips.